Welcome to the presentation of the Dodon scalpels. I know, this is a tribe of war. Do not mind the decorations. The tribe agreed on them. The Dodon scalpels is a tribe created by Tamaya Caldwell. Let's get started. First up, we have the top 5 jobs for my tribe, Dodon scalpels. Of course, if you look at the top, the tribe leader is of course me, the person who created this, me. Tamaya Dodon. I am the tribe leader. I run it. Second up, well actually first up on the list, is the Dr. Don. Dr. Don. That's not the doctor's name. We just call him Don at the end of everything. This is the spot of these names I made up. First we have Winter the Don. The doctor to me is very important simply because we need a doctor. We are a tribe of war. We get hurt, we get injured, and we need somebody to fix us up and put bandages on us. Simple. It's explanatory. Next, we have the Priest Don. Priest Don. Occupied by Madison the Don. Not a real person, but you get the gist. The priest is very important to me because it gives my people, my tribe, hope to want to continue to fight. They need something to believe in. So the priest is supposed to help us believe and help us fight. If my soldiers don't have any motivation left in them, that is what the priest is for, to motivate. And motivation is key to a successful tribe. After all, this is why we're number 1. Next, we have Farmer Don, occupied by E-Man the Don. The farmer, we need them. We literally can't have any of these other people without the farmer, because the farmer makes our food. The farmer grows things for us so we can eat and we can be somewhat healthy, because you know, it's tough times right now. We are a tribe. We don't have the equipment, but we try to eat healthy. So they're very important to us if we want to stay alive. Next, we have the Architect the Don, occupied by Michaela the Don. The architect is very important because we need someone to build us homes so we can go home to a night. Now, with that said, anybody can build a home. Anybody. I can build a home. But I need somebody specifically for homes. So the architect is going to build our homes. A place for us to lay our heads at night and go to sleep. Even though we might get bombed from another tribe, we are still sleeping comfortably. Lastly, we have the teacher. The teacher should have definitely been first. But the teacher cannot teach all of these occupations. This teacher is specifically for children. So, you know, math, reading, the basics, how to talk. Occupied by Ellie the Don. No pain, no gain. Next, my tribe's kennings. Of course, at the top of the list is the wonderful Big Shot. Who might that be? Oh, it's me. Let's move on. The kennings I have for the 5 most important people in my tribe were very hard to come up with because they're just magnificent names. First up, for the Dr. Don, we have the Body Whisperer. Of course, the doctor is the one that saves our lives. And most of the time when you go to the doctor, it's probably something to do with your body, because honestly, what else is there? What are they for? It's a doctor. Come on now. It's self-explanatory. They're the Body Whisperer. They help our bones. They fix them up. And even if they don't fix them up that good because they don't have the equipment, they still try. Next, we have the Priest of Don. They, of course, are going to be called God's handler. Now, they're not God's best friend, but they are our connection to God, or gods, if you believe in multiple. Because I believe in, people picking what they want to believe in. So if my tribe, they want to believe in multiple gods, that's totally fine. But, of course, God's handler, like I said, self-explanatory. Next, we have Farmer Dodon. He or she is the seed saver. They bring our food. You can't have an apple tree without an apple seed. So therefore, they're the seed saver. They save the seeds to replant them. Come on. Come on. Seed saver. Clever. Next, we have the architect Dodon. They have steady hands. They have to have steady hands because you can't build nothing if you don't got steady hands. You're not going to make any progress, most likely, because you're shaking. The architect cannot shake. They're professional. They build things. They're steady hands. Their hands make them good coins. And lastly, we have the teacher, Dodon, who is very important. The word killer. The teacher is teaching children. You can't be a teacher unless you're an ASL teacher. You have to be good with words. You have to be able to communicate with your students. You can't do that if you can't talk. Not like you can talk. I mean like if you can't communicate, if you can't connect with them. Teachers are word killers. They break silence and they teach. Next, the symbol. This symbol, it's a little cricket. Okay, it's a lot of cricket, but this symbol represents my tribe at its finest. You see that eye in the middle? That is the enemy looking into our souls. Our tribe, of course, is red, blue, and gray. The colors we love, but that soul, that eye, is looking into our soul. It motivates us. Like I said, a little cricket. Could have did better, but on to the next. The slogan. At the top in the corners, you see slogan death, slogan dirt, slogan pain, and slogan thing. You either with Don Scapple or you kicked out the chapel. This is an amazing slogan. Why? Because it represents us. You cannot be a part of the Don Scapple tribe if you are not going to be in the chapel. You have to participate. I get it. Nobody wants to fight a war, but you can't expect our protection if you can't sacrifice. So you either with Don Scapple or you kicked out the chapel. And if you don't go to the chapel, I know I said you can have your own beliefs, but you still have to attend the chapel. And if you don't attend the chapel, you're not a part of the scapel. Plain and simple. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. It's a little long, but we'll be okay. Let's go to the top. Thank you for watching the Dodon Scaples. I'll catch you on another episode.